This is a second-hand KUBOTA U55 tool for hydraulic crawler excavator. The U55- for excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA V2607DI engine. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Boom swing function. Widely used in construction and farm. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,300 kilogram. Power is 47.6 kilowatt. Clean and amazing appearance. The core components are all original. Good performance, very flexible.